Howdy! Let's go through a quick walkthrough to renew a push certificate in Jamf School. Log in to Jamf School, then from the dashboard, navigate to Organization, Settings, and Apple Push Notification Service. There are two key pieces of information on this page. First, make note of the Apple ID that must be used to renew this push certificate. Using a different Apple ID will break communication between your devices and Jamf School. Second, make note of the push certificate expiration date. This will help you identify the correct certificate to renew during the next step. Once you've made these notes, click Renew Push Certificate. On Step 1, click Download Certificate Signing Request. Once the download is complete, move on to Step 2. Click Apple Push Certificates portal to open the web page in a new tab. Sign in with the previously noted Apple ID. Find the certificate with the matching expiration date and click Renew. Under Vendor Signed Certificate Signing Request, click Choose File and select the certificate signing request.csr file that we previously downloaded. Click Upload and then upload again to create the new push certificate. On the confirmation screen, click Download to download the newly created push certificate. Once the download is complete, go back to Jamf School. On Step 3, click the box and choose the push certificate we just downloaded. Click Upload and then click Apply. And that's it! We know our certificate was successfully renewed because it now expires 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.